remove your drawer from the desk, you have a lever on each side of your desk. On one side you'll need to push the lever up. On the other side you'll have to push the lever down. They go in the opposite direction from where they started. So once you lift that up, you can just pull your drawer out to remove it. Now to adjust the slide on the side of your drawer, you'll take and mark there's an oval next to where your screw is. Put a mark right in the middle so you know where your screw will go. And we're only going to do this on the front and the back screw. Then take your drill with a Phillips bit and just remove your screw from the slides on all three. Whoop. Now, you want to take those same screws, move them to the next slide where you made your dot. You don't need to drill a pilot hole. The wood is soft, it'll go right in. Don't tighten it all the way yet. Just put it in the first and the last hole. Now, when your screw is almost in and almost tight, then you can easily adjust your slide. And what you want to do is move it to the very bottom of that hole and tighten it. And then turn your drawer over and do the other side too. Then you can fit it and see if your drawer will latch. Take your third screw and put it right in the center hole. That way that will prevent your slide from moving at all if your drawer happens to vibrate and your screws loosen up. And there you go. And that's how you adjust your drawer.